Hello my friends, how are you? Good, I hope. Today in this video we will be learning about wild animals, and we will also be washing and cleaning them with you from different colors. Don't forget to put a like and subscribe to my channel, my friend, and let's go. Horses come in many different breeds. Each breed has its own characters. For example, some breeds of horses are very strong and can carry large loads. Other breeds of horses are very fast and can race. There are also breeds of horses that are very smart and can do different tricks. Oh my friends, this is a lion. The lion is a large and strong predator found in Africa and Asia. It has thick reddish or brown fur with black spots. The lion has a large head with powerful jaws. Its mane, which can be very long in adult males, makes it even more majestic. Wow, this is piggy. The piggy is a funny and friendly animal that loves to swim in the mud and run in the fields. She has a round body, short legs and a small tail. The piggy has a long spout that she uses to peek into the ground looking for yummy treats. Tiger is a big and manly feline, friend from the jungle. They look like a big cat with hawk stripes and his furry fur. The tiger has hook paws like a teddy bear, only with sharp claws. His eyes are as sharp as a real hunter's. Oh, and do you know what the wonderful creatures reindeer are? They look like big, beautiful reindeer from fairy tales. Reindeer have long legs that help them run fast and fast when they need to get away from danger. Their ears are so big. The next animal is the wolf. The wolf are such a big, furry animal that like to run through forest and field. It has a long fur coat that is gray or brown, like it always wears a fluffy coat. Bison is such a big and fluffy animal that looks like a big soft bear. He has a hook many around his neck that protect him from the cold. He also has big horns that look like big hooks on his head. The next animal is a cheetah. A cheetah is an animal that likes to run really fast. Like lion, he looks like he has beautiful back spots and his back with a yellow fur, like he's wearing a fun outfit. Giraffes are such fun and long-necked animals. They have long necks that help them reach the juicy leaves on the tallest trees. They seem to walk on tall, poly-like legs. The big eyes help them see far and wide, and when they want to show that they are happy, hippos are such funny and big animals that like to live near water, so they can always splash and swim. Look like hook-friendly bear cubs, only with ears like an elephant and long, wide manes. Alright friends, and now let's get our animals clean and tidy. So we will need a toothbrush and toothpaste to safely clean our wild animals. Let's do it together with me. Don't forget to put a like and write in the comments.